What if I told you that Mercedes-Benz just redefined what it means to live on the road? Forget everything you thought you knew about motorhomes, because the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a 5-star apartment on wheels, and by the time I walk you through every inch of this thing, you are going to understand why people are already placing deposits months before delivery begins. Let me set the scene for you. Mercedes-Benz has been supplying the Sprinter chassis to motorhome builders for years, but for 2026, they have gone a step further. Working closely with premium conversion partners and integrating their own engineering philosophy from bumper to bumper, the 2026 lineup represents the most refined, most technologically advanced motorhome platform Mercedes has ever put its name behind. We are talking about a vehicle that drives like a luxury sedan, sleeps like a king's suite, and runs with the efficiency of a machine that German engineers have obsessed over for decades. Under the hood, the 2026 model is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine producing 211 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. That torque figure is what matters here, because when you are hauling a fully loaded motorhome up a mountain pass, you need pulling power, and this engine delivers it without breaking a sweat. It is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts so smoothly you genuinely forget you are driving something this large. Mercedes has also tuned the suspension specifically for the motorhome configuration, adding adaptive dampers on the higher trim levels that read the road surface and adjust in real time. The result is a ride quality that will genuinely surprise you. Highway cruising sits comfortably at around 65 to 70 miles per hour with minimal cabin noise, and fuel economy lands in the range of 18 to 22 miles per gallon depending on load and driving conditions, which is remarkably good for a vehicle of this size and weight. Now let us talk about the interior, because this is where Mercedes-Benz separates itself from the competition entirely. The cabin layout is available in multiple floor plan options ranging from 22 to 24 feet in total length. You get a fixed rear bed with a premium memory foam mattress, a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner induction cooktop, a compressor refrigerator, a stainless steel sink, and enough counter space to actually prepare a real meal. The wet bath includes a separate shower area with a cassette toilet, and the water system holds up to 40 gallons of fresh water with an optional onboard filtration system. Storage is everywhere. Overhead cabinets, under-bed compartments, a dedicated wardrobe closet, and exterior pass-through storage that gives you room for camping chairs, outdoor gear, and anything else you need for extended trips. Climate control is handled by a combination of the vehicle's own heating system and a rooftop air conditioning unit rated for quiet operation even during nighttime use. The technology package is where this thing truly feels like it belongs in 2026. The dashboard features the latest MBUX infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, voice command functionality, navigation with campground and RV park integration, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this motorhome almost effortless. You also get blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking as standard equipment. For connectivity on the road, there is an optional Starlink-compatible roof mount and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot that supports multiple devices at once. Solar power is available as a factory-installed option with a 400-watt rooftop panel system connected to a 200 amp-hour lithium battery bank, giving you the ability to run lights, charge devices, and power your refrigerator for days without plugging into shore power. For those who want full off-grid capability, an upgraded 600-watt solar package with a 400 amp-hour battery bank is also offered. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome starts at approximately $155,000 for the base configuration. The mid-level trim with the adaptive suspension, solar package, and upgraded interior finishes comes in around $185,000, and the fully loaded top-tier model with every option available pushes toward $220,000. These are serious numbers, but when you compare the build quality, the drivetrain reliability, and the overall ownership experience to competitors in the same space, the value proposition starts to make a lot more sense. If you are someone who has been dreaming about hitting the open road without giving up comfort, safety, or style, this is the motorhome that was designed with you in mind. Mercedes-Benz has not just built a vehicle here. They have built a lifestyle. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want to stay updated on more content like this, go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I will see you in the next one.